How many times will we say Bitcoin in this video? Welcome to beautiful Las Vegas. We're at the Venetian today for the very first day of the Bitcoin conference. After you.
This isn't my first time to Vegas, no. I've been here dozens of times, but it's getting a bit old, and this is the first time I've gone for work. I don't have very high expectations going into this conference, but after the event, my expectations were totally blown away, whether they were positive or negative.
Hey, yo!
I've been in crypto for a long time, and every year it just seems we stray further and further from God. And this is what happens. This is the result that you get from stuffing a bunch of us idiots in an industrial space warehouse.
Hey, Tristan, can we get a quick interview about Bitcoin? Okay, bet. Not today?
You can speak to our agency and we can...
Okay. Hi, man. I'm Jordan. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Jordan. I'm Aria, your virtual concierge. I'm here to help you find and book tickets for Las Vegas shows, attractions, and plan your trip itinerary. How can I assist you today?
I need to upgrade my room to a penthouse.
Now, I really wanted to ask that robot one question. Where the hell did she get that Fiat?
Peter Schiff is famously known as being a big Bitcoin hater. He's a gold bug. So let's see what he's got to say. Can you show us what's real on your wrist really quickly?
Yeah, this is real gold. This is real money. I would show you my Bitcoin jewelry, except you can't see it.
You can't see it.
Yeah, because it's imaginary.
Well, what do you think about Bitcoin in one word?
I don't know, Ponzi, pyramid.
Ponzi. Why is it a Ponzi? Can you tell us why you think that?
Well, because it's based on the greater fool theory. The only value of Bitcoin is that some fool might pay more money for it than you did. And you buy it based on the expectation that the next guy is going to pay more money than he did.
Since the government is here, everyone's here, you have all these big personalities, like, how do you see this transforming the Bitcoin industry in the next few years?
Well, it's interesting, right? It's there's a few key elements to keep in mind here. Obviously, with the United States, we are constantly being met with administration that's moving every 4 years. We're all aware that we have a very bullish sentiment or bullish administration in office right now.
The best way to ensure that smart people are at the AI conversation is to ensure that Bitcoin is part of the artificial intelligence conversation. Our administration is committed to it. I want you guys to be committed to it as well.
Honestly, what the did that even mean? I will tell you this, the guy is a great politician.
Do you think the price of Bitcoin would be higher or lower today if Trump were not the president?
Look at the excitement in her face.
All right, well, I'm not American. So,
What are you, Canadian?
Yeah. I think that perhaps that there'll be an uptake in it, but he's not the sole reason that it's going to keep creeping.
Keep going.
Yeah.
History. So tell us, what do you think about Bitcoin in one word?
Freedom.
Freedom. I love it. That's one of my favorite answers. Why do you think it's freedom?
Because you can gain control of your time if you properly build a business in this ecosystem. It's open space.
Is that what you did?
Yes.
What do you think about Bitcoin in one word?
Bitcoin is freedom.
That's my favorite answer. So why do you think it's freedom?
I think it's freedom because, as a traditional lawyer, and I also studied economics for a while, I'm a big believer in real money, right? So unit of account, medium of exchange, and store of value. Unfortunately, I think fiat currencies have time and time again failed us. So I'm from Venezuela, so I know more than anyone the risks of hyperinflation, of government-run fiat currencies. Now, obviously, the US dollar is still far from the Bolivar. I'm not saying that. I mean, I hold US dollars myself, but I think ultimately the US dollar is not as strong as it used to be. The Swiss franc is not as strong as it used to be. The euro is not what was promised to us in general. So what I would say is Bitcoin is digital gold. Bitcoin is for those people who believe in real money and who want independence from government institutions.
It's quite amazing, and it fascinates me that we are head over heels for the same guys who are giving us life, liberty, and financial freedom through the WorldFi token. I mean, listen, who am I to judge? At the end of the day, we just want the number to go up. there's always that question, at what price?
There's a lot of politicians here, B-list celebrities, and I can't but help get the feeling that something has changed. I don't know if it's for the better. Maybe today is the highest price Bitcoin will be for a while. But after a certain amount of time, I think we need to ask ourselves, is this what the purpose and the mission of Bitcoin was and is? Whoa, who's this guy? Is that Satoshi? Exactly my point. Like fucking clockwork. Goodbye, Bitcoin 2025 Las Vegas. Vegas, I don't want to see you for a long time.